Oh, look at this. It smells good. It smells like adobo.
How do you like this smell?
The great stupa. Do not touch, okay?
Who made that?
You read it. Him.
Wow, this is smart.
It's made of butter. Whoa, look at this. Just wait. Wait until we... You have to explore first. Look at this, Dee.
You wanna go in?
Just wait, wait. You follow us. Or you can have a look where we are. You know, Buddha is for peace. Whoa. You see, Zoey, find a Buddha with 9 hands. 9 hands. 4? No, it's 9. Mm.
Yeah.
Is it?
Look.
Oh yeah. Zach, look. Come on. Mm.
This is really Mom.
I know.
Mom,
That's where we are.
we started from here. Right there.
Yep. Whoa.
And we're going, look at that golden to the river.
So we're gonna walk all the way. Whoa. See this? Worth coming here. It's nice, isn't it? Alright, go. Let's go together. Come on, kids.
Zach, look, there's a big spider.
Wow, that's massive. The great stupa. Yeah.
Is there anything in here? No spiders here. Look at that.
Zach, don't run like that. Guys, we are here in the great stupa. Is that stupa? In Bendigo. So look at it, guys. So pretty. And we have to walk. I don't think I have to wear mask. See, it must be nicer in here if it's spring. There's no people around, so I don't have to wear mask. Well, no one there yet. There's a wishing bell. Is this a well? Oh, it's got a lot of money in there.
Mom, I wish I had that rock.
It's locked. Come on, keep going.
I wish I had that rock.
No, that's there for purpose. Let's keep going. What's wrong, Zach? Whoa, that's lovely. Oh yeah? Wow, that's so nice. What? That is so pretty. Whoa. Please do not climb on the waterfall. Look at this. Let's go down. No, 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 no. There's a Buddha there. Come on, let's go in the Buddha. There's a dragon, Zach. Did you see the dragon? The dragon there. Oh, this is Joseph. No, Saint Francis of Assisi.
He's the god. No.
Patron saint of environment and animals. Take a photo. Stand up there, quick. Smile. Look here. Come on. Where's the turning wheel?
Where's the wrong way, Mom?
Doesn't matter.
Going here.
The turning wheel is there. We go up there. And then on the way back there. Zach, look.
Cross the steering wheel.
Here.
Oh no, we haven't.
This is a turning wheel, look. Zach.
Oh! Look, Zoe!
Alright, come on. Come on. Kangaroo Jack. There's bees.
I want to go to this one. The great Stupa play.
Look at this.
Look at that. Mom, look, puppy. Mom, look, puppy.
You just wait.
Where's that?
Hyundai. Whoa, that's massive.
I wonder what is that.
No, it's precious. They're trying to fix that. So guys, behind me is the Great Stupa.
Look at my pretend stupa.
You make a stupa?
Nope.
We're gonna go to the big elephant. Quick! Don't run! This is a sacred place. You're not supposed to scream.
That statue is called the Kuan Yin Grotto. I didn't know how to say that.
Grotto.
Kuan Yin Grotto.
Grotto. Whoa, look at the elephant. Take a photo of the elephant, Zoey. Yeah.
Oh, now here, Mom.
You stand up there, boy, quick. Whoa, that's massive. Hang on.
I'm trying to put the tent
Look how big this is. Did you know that there's a monkey on top?
a monkey and a rabbit and a parrot.
Look at this. This is the what?
It's called Mom, we see dragonfly. Red.
Oh
It's on
yeah.
the leaf thing. It's on the...
Oh yeah.
Are you allowed to swim in this?
No, of course not.
Oh,